So dígad gachtain arís táid lehnach dahad a cúig ag an am seo, so sin deire an seachtain daoine tá gcuinúir an Friday. So tá gárod le déanamh a gcuin inniu agus tá píosa ólas a gcuin freisin. So we have two things to do and we have a little bit of just knowledge to go through as well, or some just work to go through at the end as well. So athscriobh na habairtí. Cad is brile athscriobh na habairtí? I suppose it means unscramble or rewrite the sentence. Rewrite the sentence is what it means, but it's like unscramble the sentences, you know, what you're technically doing. Okay, so now tá na habairtí seo go léir isteach sa scéal, so everything that's here is in the story, or the ideas are in the story, okay? So inné thosaigh ag badóireacht na chalíní ar a 3 o'clock. So de gná thosníonn tú leis an bríthir, right? So feidh amach an bríthir an seo. So where is the verb? You always start with the verb. So let's just underline the verb. Thosaigh. Agus cé héna daoine atá ag déanamh rud ag, and who are the people that are doing something in this sentence? So tá siad sin na chalíní. So thosaigh na chalíní. Okay, so tá la an aberdéanta go. You've half it done now. Thosaigh na chalíní. Cad a rinne siad. What did they do? Ag badóireacht. Agus cathanna déanann siad é sin ar 3 o'clock inné. All right? Thosaigh na chalíní ag badóireacht ar 3 o'clock inné. All right? So nuair fáin tú amach an bríthir ar dús tá siad í bhfad níos éasca. So if you find the verb first, it's a lot easier. So ag an dara ceann cá bhfuil an bríthir tá an bríthir an seo. Agus an sin cé atá ag déanamh an rud éigean rang a chúig agus mar sin de. So thug tá gá cín an seo. So don na páistí thug iad a béal mar plaiciacht bhí siad an múntar. Okay. So iad a béal is to give out. So an cuid is mó den am cé atá ag déanamh an iad a béal. Who's normally doing the giving out? It's usually an múntar, right? So thug an múntar iad a béal, right? So I'm not going to do the rest of it now. You're going to do all of that yourself. So tá hocht ann. Agus ag an deire tá gárod an seo. Sin don nád don ólas, so just a little bit of revision, okay? So sa plus a H, we know that, don't we? Sa bhosca, sa chiisten, sa ghardín, sa bhála, sa fork. Ach amháin le dentals, D-N-T-L-S. So when we have a D or an N or a T or an L or an S at the start, we don't put in a shevu. They're called dentals. So we have our D, our N, our chuck, our luck, and our nyad. Okay? And tá ceann eile an seo freisin. What do we do if we have a gutta? So these are guttas, our vowels. A, E, I, O, and U. Cad a dhéanann tú nuair tá gutta gut? Ní féidir leat a rá sa éir, sa etlan, sa inal, mar tá siad deacair a rá. They're hard to say like that. So, an rud a dhéanann tú ná chur san ar bhun. Okay? So fake here. So san etlan, san inal, in the plane, or the plane and the, what's this? The inal, the engine. All right? So that's just a nod to that. Now, drámaíocht fake ar seo rang a sé. Caithfidh tú chum drama a chuma agus win úsáid as na frásí seo. Right, so what that means is you have to write a little drama, right, with these phrases in it. So let's just go through the phrases. Tá sé sin go chuafásach. Oh, tá sé sin go chuafásach. That means, oh, that was terrible, right? Tá ceist down, cad a hála, which means what happened. Tám sunna sásta. I'm really happy. Tám sunna sásta. Thug sé iad a béal dom. He gave out to me. Tám tíirseach tréachta. Okay, so you have to write a little. I would do no more than a paragraph on that, guys. Just a small schlucht beag atá I gceist an seo. Okay, so féach an seo. So chum drama beag. So is féidir leat gá charactéra all amach, Paul agus Sean agam atá gum. Agus is féidir look just come rud éigen atá ag tarlúnt I the héal ag an am seo. So think maybe of something that's happening in your own life or something that happened, and you could say, oh, that was terrible, and the other person can say, what happened? And then you can explain. All right, so just write a little small piece on that. I'll maybe pick I'll do maybe Paul tá sé sin go chufásach. Is féidir live na frásaí a úsáid dúsar ag an deire, no, más féidir that, but however way you want to use. And Sean could say, cad a hála. And Paul would say, béidir ní raibh má obair fáile déanta agam agus thug. You can change it to an múntóir the béaldam. So sin má drama. That's my drama. You can write your own. I'm just giving you an idea, and you could finish something like that off. Okay. Now, an rud atá ag deire an leathanach seo say is geal le sos bhallart ibre. That is sean ocail na seachtaine. Is geal le sos bhallart ibre. So what does that mean? So I want you to be able to work out what that means. What do you think it means? Is geal le sos. A change of work is as good as a break. That's what that means. So it's geal le sos bhallart ibre. Okay, so slán leif gach dina feice hu Ranona. I'll be ringing you in the afternoon. If you want to come on, it would be great. And we will look at our spellings, and we will look at our phrases, and we'll talk about any questions you have if you need to. Okay, slán leif.